do with it?
Well, it can't be like that. It's wet though. Could it be like water that like goes in here and then?
No, it's
makes
wet
it
because
cold?
like the condensation off of the thing. Air conditioner's
Well, it doesn't look that important.
like what?
I think goes right here.
Okay, well you put it wherever you think it
That was
goes.
dangerous. I think it's just there for fun. This is what you're not supposed to do to your air conditioning. What is it in the morning?
Shit.
Ew. Oh. Wait, did anything fall?
Hold on, I'm gonna move your bed.
Wait. Okay. Oh, well, it works.
Shit.
we're gonna get charged off the Heezy for this.
There's a candle in there. Wait. Wait.
I want a picture. Maybe no one noticed. Success! Fuck. Dude, I was talking to someone yesterday, and they said they're gonna have 3 people in rooms now. Like these, there's gonna be 3 people in here next year.
That's ridiculous.
An award. Alright.
It didn't break or anything. Fuck that air conditioner.
That was awesome.